Hello everyone, this is Anjali Chauhan, and in this video I'm going to tell you that how powerful our words are. Have you seen that when we speak to someone, we make their day, and when we speak to someone, we break their hearts? Why is it so that sometimes we are making someone's day and sometimes we are breaking someone's hearts? It's all because of the power of words. It's because of the words we are using as speaking to the people. So words have a very important energy, very important frequency. So it's very important to use and understand that how powerful our words are. Here I'm going to give you three books on which I have read the same thing about the power of words. The very first book I recommend you to read it, that is Autobiography of a Yogi. I'll share an incident which was written in the book if you'll read it. So the book is written by Yogi Paramahansa Yogananda, and he shared his whole life in that book. And the one of the incident of his childhood, he shares it. How he shared it, that he or his sister is having the same small injury in their hands, and I do not know. He also mentioned that thing in his book, that why, but with conviction he tell this that thing to him and his sister, sorry, that that injury is going to be multiplied by its four time, and it's going to convert into a blister. And the next day when they see that injury was really up to the size of four times of itself, and it's convert into a blister. So at that time, the yogi's mother, he told him that you must be very cautious while using your words, because words have frequency. And with the conviction you are cursing someone, that is going to 100% happen. And you are cursing yourself. That's the most important thing, that you are cursing yourself. So at that time, his mother teaches him the power of words, how it is important. The second book I have read recently, and it's about power of subconscious mind, written by Joseph Murphy. And in this book he speaks a lot about law of attraction. It's not about law of attraction, it's about programming of mind. It's a whole about programming of mind. And one of the chapter is about power of words, how our words is shaping our reality. So the very first thing on which our whole subconscious mind program working, everything, it works on the words which we use for ourselves, for others, for everyone. While we are speaking, we are using words. So in that book he explains why it is important to use the good and finest word, because our subconscious mind do not differentiate between negative and positive. He is like, whatever command you will give to your subconscious mind, it will bring it to you. So if we'll use the miserable things, like negative things, I'll say that I'm miserable, I'm not happy, I'm unlucky, like these type of sentences, if you'll repeat it again and again, these are words only, these are nothing else. It's a collection of words. If you use these things again and again, your subconscious will just act to your command. Whatever command you had given to your subconscious mind, that mind is going to bring it to you. And it is clearly written in that book that your words have frequency. So you must be very, very cautious while using your words. The third book, which speaks volumes about your power of words, is The Secret. And I think most of you have heard that about that book, and many of you have read that book. But the core idea of the book is about law of attraction. We all know that thing. Law of attraction based on power of words. Again, I'll say this thing, that if you are programming your mind in a negative version, or you are repetitively saying negative things to yourself, to others as well, that thing is going to happen in an abundant way, and it's going to come back to you. एंड देयर इज अ कोट वेल सेड कि जैसा बोओगे वैसा ही पाओगे। जो आप बोएंगे वही आपको मिलने वाला है। तो अब आप अपने माइंड में अच्छी चीज़ें बोओगे तो वही आपको इट्स गोइंग टू बी इन अ फ्रूटफुल ट्री। And if you'll plant a negative seed in your mind, so it's going to be in a negative version to you. So now it's up to you. The whole responsibility is to you. मैं हमेशा ये कहती हूँ कि जो वर्ड्स हैं वो बिल्कुल एक मशीन की तरह ही है। Now, which have authority, you people have authority. You people have authority to command that machine. क्योंकि वर्ड्स पे उन्हें नहीं पता है ना, वर्ड्स खुद से तो नहीं आ रहे हैं। आपके पास वो कमांड है कि आप कब किस समय कौन-सा सेंटेंस यूज़ करो या आप अपने लिए क्या कहते हो। यू पीपल हैव दैट अथॉरिटी। यू पीपल हैव अथॉरिटी टू ऑपरेट दैट मशीन। इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू टू यूटिलाइज़ दैट अथॉरिटी इन अ वेरी गुड मैनर। बिकॉज़ अगर आप ये चीज़ समझ गए ना कि सबसे पहले वर्ड्स ही हैं जो अल्टीमेटली आपके वो एक लॉन्गेस्ट गोल को अचीव करने वाले हैं। तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि आपको कुछ भी और चीज़ें पढ़ने की या समझने की रिक्वायरमेंट है। बिकॉज़ मैं अगेन एंड अगेन कहती हूँ कि रिपिटिशन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, थॉट पैटर्न्स पे आपको काम करना चाहिए। लेकिन ये सब चीज़ें सबसे पहले बेसिक जो इनका है, इट्स अबाउट द वर्ड्स यू आर यूज़िंग। सो यू मस्ट बी वेरी कॉशियस व्हाइल यूज़िंग द वर्ड्स। एंड इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि आप सिर्फ अपने लिए ही अच्छे वर्ड्स को यूज़ करें। द पर्सन, द पीपल टू होम यू गेट साउंडेड, उनके लिए भी आपको अच्छे वर्ड्स यूज़ करने बहुत ज़रूरी है। बिकॉज़ अल्टीमेटली हम जो चीज़ दूसरों को देते हैं वही चीज़ हमें रिफ्लेक्ट बैक होता है। इट्स अ मिरर, इट्स लाइक अ मिरर एंड यू आर रिफ्लेक्टिंग योर थॉट्स। ठीक है? आप अपने थॉट को रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं। तो आप दूसरों के लिए जितने अच्छे वर्ड्स और जितनी अच्छी सोच रख पाएँगे उतना ही अच्छा आपके लिए हो पाएगा। दैट्स वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट। And how can you use that power of words in your life? The first and foremost thing that you have to command in a positive manner. जनरली मैंने बहुत लोगों को ऐसे देखा है, मेरे खुद के ही बहुत सारे ऐसे रिलेशन हैं जिनको मैंने उनके साथ ये चीज़ें होते हुए देखी हैं। दे यूज्ड टू बी लाइक कि हमारी तो किस्मत ही खराब है, एवरीथिंग इज़ गोइंग वर्स्ट टू अस, ठीक है? सबसे बुरा चीज़ ही हमारे साथ होता है। एंड थ्रू आउट द डे, ऐसा भी नहीं कि दिन के किसी समय में उन्हें ये नेगेटिव थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, वो पूरे दिन भर यही चीज़ अपने आप को रिमेंबर करवाते जा रहे हैं। एंड एट द एंड उनके साथ वो सारी चीज़ें हो भी रही हैं, उसी पैटर्न में हो रही हैं जिस पैटर्न में वो उसे बोलते चले जाते हैं कि हाँ, हाँ, हमारे साथ बुरा ही होता है, तो बुरा ही होगा। क्योंकि जिस कन्विक्शन के साथ आप कह रहे हैं ना कि आपके साथ बुरा होगा, तो बुरा ही होने वाला है। सो व्हाट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट? इम्पोर्टेंट इज़ टू कमांड योरसेल्फ द वे यू वांट टू योरसेल्फ। जो चीज़ आपको जिस तरीके से चाहिए, आप उसी तरीके से वे उसे कहिए, उसकी नेगेशन में मत कहिए। असर्टिव रहिए, बिल्कुल असम्पशन भी ले रहे हैं तो पॉज़िटिव मैनर में लीजिए। जो चीज़ चाहते हैं सिर्फ़ उसी को चाहिए, जो चीज़ नहीं चाहते उस पे फ़ोकस मत कीजिए। ठीक है? द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग, you can use, your power of words in that manner. The second thing, bless everyone. Don't curse anyone. Because your words have a power to bless someone and it also have a power to curse someone. So मैं ये कहूँगी, I'll suggest you people to use your power of words to bless someone. किसी को बुरा कह के क्या मिलने वाला है? Bless everyone. The third thing, repeat and repeat the positive thing, the more and more positive things to yourself. Because repetition create reality in your life. Repetition start making your belief system. When you start making your own belief system and you have your own belief system, you'll do constructive action on that particular goal. And once you start doing constructive goals on that particular thing, you're going to change your reality. So what is important? It's important to have a repetition of positive thoughts, and positive thoughts are nothing else, it's a positive word, it's a collection of positive words. You have to remember this thing. Okay, so in this manner you can utilize all the power of your thoughts and power of your words. Okay, so thank you all of you for watching this video.